I would like to talk about rhythm cues. Rhythm cues are typically written for rhythm section players. Rhythm section instruments are piano, guitar, bass, and drums. And then it's like a tiny rhythms written on the top of the music. Those are the rhythm cues. If you see those rhythm section players are supposed to play those accompaniment with those rhythm. So I would like to try those. So it's a quarter note rest, quarter note rest, 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 and go to 5, rest, rest, and 1, 2, 3, 4. With the right hand melody, goes like this. And then go to 5. And together. That is going to be the exercise. And this is missing the sticker circle. And then, but you know the routine. We are supposed to play in 6 keys. I would like to try in the key of G major. So 5-finger pattern. The same motif in key of G. I hope you can figure out the rest of them by yourself.